Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and guess where I am? Anybody? Anybody? Oh, yes, you? No, that's you. Yes, you're right. We're at Ararat Shrine, right here in Kansas City, Missouri. Now, I'm not here at the Ararat Shrine to do something with the Shrine Center. I'm here to go to a lodge meeting, which is inside of here. There's a lodge room, and Harry S. Truman Lodge meets here. I think this number is 1941. Think that was planned? Probably so. If you like these videos, be sure to check out our other playlists of Masonic buildings around the country. You can see that in the video description, and at the end of this video to have you a link. Actually, it'll be nice and easy. So come along with me, because I'm going to give you some video of the inside of this building, not just the lodge room, but some other spaces also, because you are now entering the Coolest Life Masonic Edition, aka Shrine Edition. We are inside, so let me take you through some of this building. I am going to show you the regular lodge room that they have set up here, which is really nice, but this is a large banquet room they have. You can see they got a stage set up there at the end. Those are mirrors over there. That's not, room doesn't keep going. Looks like they're somewhat set up for, is it bingo? They got enough screens up here to be doing bingo, that's for sure. Got a concession stand over to the right and everything. Huh. So this room here is definitely set up for a venue they could rent out. It's got good space and a stage at the end, so if you set up a banquet or anything like that. And this is the extra room here. They've actually got a bar set up here that they used to be at one time open to the public, and it actually has a nice overlook. It's a nice area. Obviously this is, you're able to rent it out too, and I like their Shriner there. So this is a nice door here that's engraved, and it's got the Masonic, the Shrine logo out here. Nice big sword. They call it the Sultan's Lounge. So they got a bar at the end. So we are outside, and now I'm about to go inside this lodge because the meeting is over with, and the brothers are talking here in the hallway. So, the sound of silence. Nice room. It's not real big. You know, this is not a big room. It's actually probably one of the smaller lodge rooms I've seen. I've seen smaller, don't get me wrong, but this is definitely a small as far as most lodges go. They do have some nice equipment here. I will say this, Harry S. Truman Lodge has only been founded since 2013 is when they were started. And we had a great pleasure, the Grand Master of the great state of Missouri was, from 2013, was actually here, and he did our degree work. I like that. That's his podium there. Check this out. Got him laying down. I don't see a Masonic logo on it, but it's nice. And how about this on the, is that a deep mahogany in it? It's got a plum on that side. Got the casters down below. He's actually got a pillow there. Sometimes they use that for kneeling. I like the workmanship here of this. They got room for Masonic logo. Hey guys, if you see this video, that'd be a great place for a Masonic logo on there for maybe the senior warden's level. That would be awesome. This lodge room, which someone pointed that out to me, so a visitor, he said, you know what, of this lodge room that I see here, something I don't notice, there's no picture of George Washington, but there is of Harry S. Truman. Now this, of course, is at Ararat Shrine Center, but this room is dedicated to Harry S. Truman Lodge, which again, it was only founded in 2013, so hasn't been around all that long. They're doing well. They got degree work, read a few petitions, so they got new members coming in. Here's our, where they would sit. That was our treasurer. And you got that. Nice. Of course, it ought to be really nice because it was only done in 2013. So it ought to be in great condition. And there's a nice bust of Harry Truman. We got the flag right there. 33rd president. That's kind of neat. Grand Council. Allied Masonic degrees. Oh, got a Yorkite maybe meeting here also. There is a ballot box. Pretty customary. Seen a lot of these ballot boxes. Let's put this up here real quick. Yep, nice and, ooh, that's not very padded. Most of them I see are pretty padded. But I like all the matching furniture here. You know, this one here is going to match your Worshipful Master here. This one, the Worshipful Master one here, is a little taller than the one across the way. Actually, the top of this thing is about 6'6", and the senior warden across the way, I should say, is maybe 6 foot. But you got some working tools down here. They actually use these as in the degree because we just did an entered apprentice degree today. Another one of Harry Truman, secretary. And this room, this is actually the outer door, and their inner door is here. And normally your inner door in most lodges, you'll see that here, there's an inner door here, or there's an outer door here in almost every Masonic lodge I've ever been to. There's been a few that have been over here, but normally they're here, and their inner door is here. And so everyone comes in the lodge this way here, but not in this one because there's no door over there, because this particular room was it's actually part of the Shrine Center. And so it was a Shrine Center room first, and then it's a Masonic lodge second. And again, you got the matching setup here. Oh, I like that ball on the top. It's got some character to it. And last but not least, of course, I want to show you this altar that's here. Again, you got the workmanship here on the side. Everything matches really nice. These are going to open like this. Lots of items in there that I'm not going to go through. Maybe do some stuff with some degree work. Who knows? And actually, this particular one actually splits in half like this. And this will actually go this way. But I love the accents here. You got the one there. You got the Worshipful Master pointing upward. Love that. You know me. I like that to point upward. Level. You get the plum over there on that side, so that's nice. A little bit of an older set. This lodge might be, these are probably older than the lodge, you know. Sometimes you get these from other lodges, and definitely this Bible is. This is not a new Bible at all, which is good. I like to see older items here. I don't know what that stuff is. Morning prayer, Holy Bible, George Washington Masonic Memorial. Good looking pieces of, nice pieces. Like that Bible. I wonder if there's a date in here. Let's see if we can find a date. I trust you. It feels like I'm going fast in this, but I'm being very gentle with these pages because I don't want to tear nothing. I don't see one here, but it is a very nice Bible. It's got Scottish Rite on here. You got York Rite. There's Ud, which is part of Scottish Rite, but there's your cornerstone. I guess it's your keystone is what that is. So that's a nice Bible, and they've got I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna slide that here because that's probably where it should be. If you're gonna put them on, if you're gonna lay them down somewhere like that, nice and. That's nice. I like it. If you're ever in the Kansas City area and you want to visit a lodge, by all means, come to Ararat Shrine Center and you can meet with these brothers the second and fourth Tuesday they meet, which is, I think today's the fourth Tuesday. These are the days they meet. This is Harry S. Truman Lodge number 1941 for, of course, World War II. So, because he was the president during 1941. So that's why they named this lodge after him and gave it that specific number. So come join these brothers here. Sure, they'll welcome you like they did me. They had a really good meal. I'll tell you that much. I'm going to get something to go, actually. But visit these brothers and check out our other lodge playlists. You can see down below in the description, there'll be a link to our playlist. Also, at the end of this video, there's a link of Masonic buildings. So anyway, I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.